Hey squad, this is Envy here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please make sure that you subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so you can catch all my new videos. Guys, I wanted to show you my new palette that was done for me by that crafty chick Amy K. It glows in the dark and it's got my emblem on it. It's amazing. Anyway, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. So NailedAF is a partner of Iguana. It is Annalisa's company and her website, which is separate. It is all things tropical, and she actually gave me some extra things, which was super sweet of her. So let's go ahead and get into it, and I will show you guys everything. I will also put everything in the description box down below. So I hope you guys enjoy. We're gonna start off with the foils, which are so pretty. And then I got some foils, some stickers, I got some charms, and then some brushes. So I will be back, and I hope you guys enjoy.
Satisfaction. Make a move, baby, you got nothing to lose. Give me that good reaction. Gonna make it right, little like an offer I can't refuse. I'm on the road, it's my time, taking control of my life. I want to run the red lights, I've got to run this show. You always take me so high, you always make the highlights. I love the way we vibe. You're like a centerfold. Ooh, that's so sweet. You got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion. Just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat. Tested by the motion. Loving this devotion. Ooh, that sugar sweet. Ooh, that sugar sweet. You got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion. Just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat. Tested by the motion. Loving this devotion. Ooh, that sugar. Just my kind of heat. Ooh, that sugar. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion. Ooh, that sugar.
Hey guys, I just wanted to come in and say there is one sticker sheet missing because I forgot to record it, and then the previous footage I had of it disappeared.
Deep side sweating out flavor. This is for my day one, day one. Showed up, day one before the glow up. Don't need ask for them show love. Don't need ask for them show love, show love.
Oh my goodness, guys, another side note. You're about to see me start faffing around. Faffing, I love that word. You're about to start seeing me faffing around with all of these charms and trying to get them to be seen. And oh my goodness, if I would just have put them on a tray. Trust me, next time that will happen.
Nobody used to know me. Let's tell them I was just chilling with my homies. Now that we're popping, everybody is talking. This is for my day ones. Don't forget the ones that made ya. Deep side sweating out flavor. This is for my day ones, day one. This is for my day ones. Don't forget the ones that made ya. Deep side sweating out flavor. This is for my day one, day one. quiero vacilar. Take it, and I'll throw it right back. 처음 본 순간부터 눈을 뗄 수가 없었어. 이 세상 하나뿐인 너 처음 봤으니까 빠졌으니까. Then you got me sinking low. 사랑이란 단어로 썸도 아닌 썸을 타며 행복한 줄로. 친구들이 다들 바보래. 사랑 표현 못한 벙어리. 한 번도 안 해봐서 어떡해 honestly. Cause 1, 2, 3 중요한 건 you and me. 내 곁에만 있다면 baby can't you see. 자꾸 쳐다보면 뭐해. 말이라도 걸어봐. 속마음을 표현해. I know we're gonna be alright. 손이라도 잡을까. 봄에 안겨볼까. Whatever your love language. I know we're gonna be alright. Can't take all this hot and cold. Love shouldn't be this hard. I know 뭐라고 있는지도 모르겠잖아. 어렵지 않아. 무슨 생각한지도 정말 진심인지도. Guess like I've never guessed before. 나 좋아하는 건 맞아. 친구들이 다들 바보래. 사랑 표현 못한 벙어리. 한 번도 안 해봐서 어떡해 honestly. Cause 1, 2, 3 중요한 건 you and me. 내 곁에만 있다면 baby can't you see. 자꾸 쳐다보면 뭐해. 말이라도 걸어봐. 속마음을 표현해. I know we're gonna be alright. 손이라도 잡을까. 봄에 안겨볼까. Whatever your love language. I know we're gonna be alright. I know we're gonna be alright.
Oh my goodness, guys, thank you so very much. So that's everything. You'll see me here just putting everything back together, and I'll do a final sweep. But I wanted to take this moment to tell everybody how much I appreciate you being here and watching these unboxings with me. I am working on bringing more content. Again, I appreciate you all so very much. Before you go, make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and again hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything. Here is everything, guys, and until next time, stay blessed. Thank you again.